Hi, this is Denny Lee of Lee Law Office, and for this episode of Denny Answers Your Estate Planning Questions, I'm going to laser focus in on payable on death accounts. The acronym obviously is POD. They are very popular and used frequently by individuals because their intent is to have whatever is named a POD account, whether it's a savings account, a checking account, certificates of deposit, money market, stock accounts, life insurance. We want that to go to individual named beneficiaries. And it accomplishes that goal, but it has some things that folks need to be aware of. And what needs to be aware of in Nebraska, again, is, as you've heard me say in earlier videos, Nebraska is one of 6 states that has a state inheritance tax. On a payable on death designation of a bank account or any financial account or life insurance, you're directing that on your death, that asset is to go to the person or people that you have designated with the financial institution to receive that account at the time of your death. Now, in Nebraska, the threshold for probate is an asset that has a threshold of $100,000 or more. If you have an asset that's a payable on death asset, and that asset at the time of your death is less than $100,000, then it will go directly to the people that you've named as your payable on death beneficiaries. But the problem comes in after folks die and the family comes to me because the financial institution or the IRA fund custodian or somebody has said, the account that you were named as the POD beneficiary is over $100,000. We can't distribute that until we get an order from the court related to the inheritance tax. So while very popular, payable on death accounts do have some dynamics that people need to be aware of, and that's our job to explain those dynamics. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any other questions about estate planning, go to our website, leelawoffice.com. There's a lot of really good resources and information that may answer your question and help you. Thanks for taking time to watch this. Denny answers your estate planning questions.